This is line 2, variation 1 of the Audition music. A couple things to be careful with on variation 1 is this dotted quarter note, which is 1.5 beats. It's 2 taps on your foot and then the upbeat here. And we'll talk about that in just a second. And as you come down here, it's about, the counting is fine, but where you place your tongue, the slur markings can kind of get you. So, let's start. Let's talk about the rhythms. Quarter, eighth, eighth, dotted quarter, eighth, quarter, quarter, half note, quarter, eighth, eighth, quarter, 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 eighth, 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 quarter, quarter, half note. Now slur markings and tonguing. Tongue, tongue, slur, tongue, 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 slur, tongue, 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 slur, tongue, tongue, slur, slur, tongue, tongue, tongue. Now counting. Now watch out for this dotted quarter note right here. Okay, it's on count 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, stop.